Galileo is one of the largest and is the premier issuer and processor in the United States. We offer issuing and processing of debit cards, fraud solutions, and we also offer banking infrastructure solutions across a digital experience platform, a banking core, and an intelligent digital assistant. When we were facing the challenge of modernization and moving to the cloud, we had over 160 million customers. We had 150 clients in 16 different countries. And we know that we couldn't do that necessarily in one big bang migration. And when we had to decide which cloud to choose, AWS was the obvious answer. As we see an increase in real-time money movement with FedNow, with real-time payments, with the move to crypto and financial services, we need to be able to handle spikes in traffic, spikes in consumer behavior, and the rising demand that we have from our customers for getting data and information in real time. And being in the cloud is what enables us to really meet those needs, but also being able to use AWS's developer tooling to spin up infrastructure at the push of a button is key. That's significantly different than when we were before and had to invest in infrastructure ahead of time and then rack and stack infrastructure, get that infrastructure networked and get IP addresses and all of that in order to scale quickly. So our ability to take, let's say, a new large customer and bring them onto our platform has been compressed from 8 to 12 weeks down to a few hours. That's amazing. We recently had a couple of really tough projects. One of them was to stand up a core for SoFi as a managed service in the cloud for the commercial payment services business. Because we were in AWS, we were able to get that up and running faster than anybody imagined. And in fact, we were able to ship that into production 6 weeks before we expected. That was awesome and only possible because of AWS.